Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best automotive products on the market. Today, we are diving into a must-have for any car enthusiast or daily driver. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 10-3015 Engine Cylinder, Combustion Chamber Cleaner. If you're looking for the best oil system cleaner, you found it. The ACDelco 10-3015 is a 32-ounce engine cleaner specifically designed to help maintain the efficiency and performance of your engine. This premium cleaning solution works wonders by removing carbon deposits and other contaminants from the combustion chamber and cylinder heads, ultimately improving engine efficiency and longevity. It's ideal for both General Motors vehicles and many other makes and models, ensuring that it meets high-quality standards. What sets this product apart? First off, its formulation is tailored to dissolve stubborn deposits that accumulate over time. Regular use can lead to smoother engine operation, better fuel economy, and even lower emissions. The cleaner comes in a convenient 32-ounce bottle, easy to use and store. The item dimensions of 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches by 8.75 inches make it compact enough to fit in your garage or toolkit without taking up too much space. Using the ACDelco engine cylinder cleaner is simple. For optimal results, pour the cleaner directly into the engine through the intake while the engine is running. It's essential to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any potential mishaps. As the cleaner flows through the engine, it will start breaking down deposits and cleaning the combustion chamber, restoring engine performance as it works. So, why should you consider using an engine cleaner like this one? Over time, carbon buildup can hinder your engine's performance. It can lead to poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, and even engine knocking. By using ACDelco's cleaner regularly, you're not just prolonging the life of your engine, you're also enhancing its performance and efficiency. Cleaner engines run smoother, respond better to acceleration, and require fewer repairs in the long run. In conclusion, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment 10-3015 Engine Cylinder, Combustion Chamber Cleaner is an excellent investment for any vehicle owner looking to improve engine performance and longevity. With its reliable formulation and ease of use, it stands out as the best oil system cleaner available. Whether you're a car enthusiast who likes to maintain their vehicle meticulously or someone who simply wants a cleaner engine for better performance, this product is sure to meet your needs. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more automotive insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Have you used the ACDelco engine cleaner? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your vehicles.